Hello students, welcome to Beacon High School. Class 4 General Knowledge. The topic which we are going to learn today is language and literature. Let us look what we are going to discuss in language and literature. People who speak the same language can understand each other. People speaking different languages cannot understand each other. Literature refers to the practice and profession of writing. It comes from human interest in telling a story, in arranging words in artistic forms, in describing in words some aspects of human experiences. Homonyms are two or more words that have the same pronunciation but with different meaning or spellings. For example, break, sell, beat, etc. First, let us study about body conditions. Some of the physical or body conditions are blind, deaf, fever, cough, sneeze and then yawn. If you see in the picture, there are different person with different body condition. Blind is a person who is unable to see. Sneeze means to push out air suddenly through the nose and mouth due to cold. Fever is a condition in which the body temperature becomes very high and body shivers. Deaf is a person who is unable to hear. Cough means to push out air speedily and noisily through the throat. Itch is a feeling of irritation on the skin that causes a desire to scratch the skin. Yawn, to take deep breath with the mouth wide open. Do you know, on an average, you breathe 23,000 times in a day. If the amount of water in your body is reduced by just 1%, you will feel thirsty. The liver is the largest of all the body internal organs. The skin is the body largest organ. Now let us study about different places. Different places where different works are done are known by different names. Mint is a place where coins are made. Theatre is a place where plays are enacted. Pantry means a small room near the kitchen where prepared food and tableware are stored. Oasis is the place in desert where water and plants are found. Garage is a place where cars are repaired. Bakery is the place where cakes and bread are baked. Some different places are monastery, ship cabin, dispensary, dormitory, museum and studio. Dispensary is a place where medicines are sold and a place where rare objects and things are displayed is museum. Quotes. Quotes are words spoken by another person. The words of great persons are a source of inspiration. Quotes said by some famous personalities. Mahatma Gandhi was the father of the nation. He said that truth and non-violence are my God. And Lord Buddha was one of the greatest religious teachers who ever lived in the world. And he said that our good and evil deeds follow us continuously like a shadow. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He said that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Nehru has said, Aram Haram hai. Mother Teresa was the founder of the Order of the Missionaries of Charity. Mother Teresa said, we all grow better in the sunshine and in love. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of the first and strongest advocates of Swaraj. He said that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He composed our national anthem titled as Janagana Mana. He said that faith is the bird that sings when the day is still dark. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest freedom fighter. He said that give me blood, I will give you freedom. There are different characters in the stories, but some of them have become popular. Harry Potter is a famous student at Hogwarts in a story written by J.K. Rowling. He has green eyes and a lightning scare on his forehead. Swami is a young boy from Malgudi in the story Malgudi Days. He always plays tricks and wants to make a cricket team. And Hedy is a little Swiss girl in a story written by Johannes Spyri. She lives in a beautiful town in the Alps mountains, and Matilda is a sweet girl in a story written by Roald Dahl. She has a wonderful teacher at her school and a mean principal. And Mowgli is a little boy who is a famous character in one of the stories of Rudyard Kipling. He got lost in an Indian forest and was brought up by wolves. His friends are wild animals. Peter Pan is a famous character in a story of J.M. Barrie. He did not want to grow up, so he ran away to the Neverland, a place where time stands still. Gods and demons. It is believed that this world is full of supernatural or mysterious powers. The people of different regions also describe several gods, demons, and supernatural powers. Patna was a deadly demand lady who tried to kill Lord Krishna in childhood by feeding him with poisoned milk. But Lord Krishna killed her by sucking life from her body. Basilisk is the king of the Lord Snake and is so deadly that its very glands can kill anybody. It can grow up to 50 feet in length and is a dark green color with large yellow eyes. It can be killed only when it looks itself in a mirror. Lord Ganesha is a great Hindu god who is worshipped before any other god. He has the head of an elephant and is believed to bring good luck, and thus he is worshipped before anything new is started. And Hydra is a kind natured spirit which never do wrong to humans. It is a wise teacher which never harms anybody. And the next one is Isis. Isis was very important to the ancient Egyptians because she had so many different powers. And next one is Anansi. Anansi is an African trickster and hero. He taught the humans to sow grains. He often appears in the form of a spider. Important abbreviations. Abbreviations are the short forms of long words or a group of words. They make uses of word convenient. Let us learn about the full form and then logo. So first one is AIIMS. AIIMS means All India Institute of Medical Science, and BBC. B, the full form of BBC is B for British, and then B for Broadcasting, and C for Corporation, and BSF, Border Security Force, IAS, Indian Administrative Service, and then IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, and NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, and ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, IAS, Indian Administrative Service. And next one is WHO, World Health Organization. Let us study about word jumble. Rearrange the given words to form new words. So if you see the first word break, one who makes bread and cakes for sale. So if you change the letters, you will get the new words. Baker. And next one is fear. Money paid for a journey on a bus or train. Fare. Horse. Land at the edge of a large body of water. Shore. Lead. to make a phone call to someone. Dial. Leap, a long sound or loud sound of bells. And next one is meet, a group of people in order to do something. And next one is a device that produces light, lamp. Pan, a short sleep or rest. Nap. Plum, a swelling on the skin. Thank you.